Kid, let me wise you up to something. In this line of work, the loud ones don't last. It's the quiet kind you gotta watch. See, a real operator don't bark. He don't brag. He don't puff his chest. He just steps in, soft as a whisper, and suddenly the whole room's rearranged. That's the trick nobody teaches you. You don't muscle your way through a door. You glide through it like you already belong inside. Hard or soft doesn't matter. I'm going in either way. Some mugs think force is all about hitting hard. Nah, force is about being inevitable. You move like fog, kid. You slip past their guard, wrap around their frame, and before they know it, you're already home. No noise, no fuss, just clean work in a dirty world. That's the life, that's the craft, that's the code. Now beat it, kid, and keep your hands warm. The night's got long shadows, and you're walking through all of them.